Could our ancient ancestors have hibernated like bears to survive brutal winters? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi novel, but a groundbreaking fossil study suggests this might actually be true. Imagine early humans, without fire, warm clothing, or reliable food storage, retreating into caves for months at a time, their bodies slowing down to conserve energy. This isn't just a fascinating theory. It's backed by evidence from one of the most remarkable archaeological sites in the world. The story begins at Sima de los Huesos in Atapuerca, Spain, where researchers have unearthed over 1,600 skeletal remains dating back around 500,000 years. These bones, belonging to an ancient hominin population, tell a tale of survival against all odds. But here's where it gets controversial. The fossils show signs of chronic health issues that appear to recur seasonally, mirroring the biological stress seen in hibernating animals. Could these early humans have entered a state of torpor to endure harsh winters? If true, this would challenge everything we thought we knew about human evolution and adaptability. And this is the part most people miss. The study, conducted by paleoanthropologists from Greece and Spain, focused on skeletal pathologies that suggest prolonged periods of malnutrition and vitamin D deficiency. Conditions like trabecular tunneling, osteitis fibrosa. Deep within the Cueva Mayor cave system, these early humans found dark, insulated environments that allowed them to reduce energy expenditure and avoid predators. But this survival strategy came at a cost. Unlike modern hibernators, which have evolved to manage nutrient use and bone density efficiently, these hominins suffered from chronic kidney disease, calcium imbalances, and developmental issues. As one researcher noted, their poorly tolerated hibernation left them vulnerable to long-term health problems. Here's the bold question. If hibernation was such a flawed strategy, why did they do it? The answer might lie in their limited options. Without advanced tools or resources, retreating into caves and slowing their metabolism could have been their only chance at survival. But does this mean we should rethink the resilience of early humans, or does it highlight their vulnerability in a world they were still learning to navigate? This study not only sheds light on our evolutionary past, but also raises thought-provoking questions about human adaptability. Were these early hominins pioneers of survival, or were they simply struggling to cope with a harsh environment? Let's keep the conversation going. What do you think? Could hibernation have been a key to our ancestors' survival, or was it a desperate measure with more downsides than benefits? Share your thoughts in the comments.